I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And today we again have our special friend who's going to introduce herself.
Hi, I'm Emily.
Emily, what are we going to make today?
Today we're gonna make gingerbread people. Here's my example.
Oh, I loved it.
Yeah, me too. It's cute.
I'm so excited.
So before we start, we're going to do a breathing exercise just to get us a little more relaxed to start our art. And because you make a batter to make gingerbread people, and you're going to make it at home, we're going to do a batter stirring breathing exercise. So we're going to breathe in, stir the batter one way, breathe out, stir the batter the other way. So we'll do it 2 times together, okay?
Okay.
Ready? Breathe in. And breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, now we are ready to go.
So what supplies do we need for our activity today?
Okay, so today what you're going to need is toilet paper rolls, glue or tape, paper, markers, and scissors.
All right, good. So what's the first step, Emily?
Okay, so the first step would be to cut out the arms and the legs into little shapes.
And what kind of paper did you use?
I use construction paper.
Okay, great. And
Okay.
I cut part of a box up and I'm using that.
And I have just some cardstock paper. And so what I did is I made kind of like an oval shape for the arms, and then I made it like a bigger one for the legs.
Okay.
But you can do it however you want.
And what did you use to make the icing? Can we see yours again?
Yeah, of course. So I used a silver marker to create icing and decoration on it.
And I'm going to use a white marker.
And I'm going to use a white pencil, but you can really use anything, and you can use any color.
Yes.
So we're gonna start just decorating the arms and the legs, correct?
Yeah.
Yep.
And another thing you can do if you want to do white icing is you could take a little white out and use that little brush too.
Well, that's a good idea.
Thanks.
Yeah, and however you want.
Anything goes. Okay, so what's the next step going to be?
So the next step would be to decorate the face.
Okay.
So do you want a little face?
Okay.
And add some icing to it?
Great. I cut out some eyes that I'm gonna make to look like buttons, and then I'm gonna attach those.
Okay.
So I used real buttons for my eyes. I had a lot of buttons laying around, and I think I'm just gonna use another colored pencil for my nose.
Okay.
And mouth. You can use markers, crayons, basically anything.
Anything goes.
Oops. My pencil just broke.
No.
Oops.
I have another one.
Okay. I'm not sure these look like buttons, but here's my face.
That looks amazing.
Thank you.
Mine's just about ready. Give me 2 seconds. Here's mine.
Oh, that looks good. Later, I'm going to go back and maybe put a little more icing or more stuff on it. Okay, what's the next step, Emily?
Okay, so the next step would be to attach the arms and legs to the toilet paper roll. That's going to be the body. So I just folded my paper and made a little tab. So I'm going to tape the tab to the side.
Okay. And what I did is I cut into the toilet paper roll about 1 inch And then I'm going to just slide the leg right into the slot.
Okay, I did it the same way with this, cutting the slits on the side, on the bottom. And then for my arms, I'm gonna do the same thing up top, is cut 2 slits on the side.
Me too.
And but Emily, you use tape, which is the other option.
I did use tape, yeah.
And remember, if you're using scissors and you need some help, you can ask a friend or a caregiver or a parent to help you.
Starting to look like a gingerbread person.
Me too.
This is what mine looks like so far.
Great.
They can all be friends.
We can have a Zoom together sometime. Okay.
And then how do we do the head?
So you just put a little tape on the back side of the head and stick it on.
Okay.
Oh, these are so cute.
And Emily, did you do buttons or anything down the front?
I will be doing buttons. So I just cut out a little piece of construction paper since I don't have buttons with me, and I put on four dots to look like a button.
And again, you could do anything you want for the buttons, cutting them out, using real buttons. I'm going to use pom-poms for my buttons.
Oh, that's nice.
There's one on.
Great.
I love that.
I know, I really like this.
I do too. It's really cute.
Make a whole family.
Yeah. All right. Here's my person.
Oh, that's cute. And those are just paper buttons, Gail, right?
I just cut little circles out of construction paper and did the dots with markers.
They look like real buttons.
Thank you.
Here comes mine. Hold on. Well, I'll wait for that last button.
Oh, that's so cute.
Awesome.
All right. Well, this was super fun.
All right. I hope you had fun and enjoyed our craft today. I know I did.
I did too. It was really fun. Thank you, Emily, for showing up.
Awesome.
And if you'd like to see some of our other craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacebox.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Have fun. Bye.
Bye.